Hey everyone, today we're opening the Acer Nitro Lite 16 model NL16-71G. For benchmarks, display measurements, and all our lab data, check the full review on laptopmedia.com. The link is in the description below. Let's dive in. To reach the components, we need to unscrew 10 screws and remove the bottom panel of the laptop. We're using a JIS number 1 screwdriver. All screws are the same length. With a thin plastic tool, we start popping the cover clips loose. Be careful not to push the tool too far in. You don't want to nick a cable or a component. And we're done. The bottom panel is off. Here's the battery connector and its cable. Before we work on anything inside, we disconnect it and remove the battery. This is a 3-cell lithium-ion pack rated at about 54 watt-hours, 53.99 watt-hours on the label, at 11.55 volts. You can check the result of our battery life test on laptopmedia.com. And don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. Battery removal is complete. Next, we remove the SSD. This laptop has one SSD slot. Right next to it, there's a spot for a second slot, but the connector isn't installed on this board. The SSD slot is an M.2 2280 slot using PCI Express and NVMe. There's also a small plastic tab in the chassis that helps keep the drive in place. The installed drive here is 512 gigabytes. Depending on configuration, you may also see a 1 terabyte option. And this black wrap with thin metal fibers works as EMI and RFI shielding. Now we reinstall the SSD. Under this metal shield, you'll find the RAM. There's only one SO-DIMM slot. Officially, Acer lists 8 GB of onboard DDR5, upgradable up to 24 GB total by installing a higher capacity SO-DIMM module. In our unit, the removable stick is an 8 GB DDR5 4800 module. When putting the shield back, we are careful not to crush any of the metal clips holding it in place. This is the Wi-Fi card. It's a Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax adapter with 2x2 MU MIMO. In system, we have the discrete graphics card. And here's the processor, close to the RAM area. There are 2 cooling fans. A quick look at the touchpad area from the inside. And one more look at the cooling system. That was a quick tour of the internals and upgrade options of the Acer Nitro Lite 16. In the full review on laptopmedia.com, you can check our thermals and fan noise testing, detailed display measurements, and battery life results. Link below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.